Hello everyone, I'm M. Sai Geetika, bearing roll number 21BQ1805DA from 3 CSCC. Now I'm discussing about higher order functions for front-end development. This is my seminar topic. Let us discuss. Introduction. A higher order function is a function that accepts another function as a parameter or returns a function as its return types. The easiest way to understand this is by realizing that functions can be treated just like any other piece of data. In languages that support higher order functions, much like you would with a string or integer, you can pass functions as parameters, store them and return them. It is about introduction. First, let's define what a higher order function is. A higher order function is a function that takes one or more functions as arguments and returns a function as its result. These types of functions are powerful tools in functional programming and are commonly used in JavaScript. Higher order functions are used to compose complex behavior from simple functions and can help to improve the readability and maintainability of code. One of the main benefits of higher order functional functions is that they allow for code reuse. By passing a function as an argument to another function, we can use the same function in multiple places without having to copy and paste the code. Additionally, by returning a function, we can create reusability compatibility. Another benefit of higher order function is that they can help to improve the readability of code. By breaking the complex behaviors into small, simple functions, it becomes more easier to understand what the code is doing. Additionally, by using higher order functions, it is possible to write more declarative code which describes what the code. JavaScript provides several built-in higher order functions such as map function, filter function, reduce function. Here there are three functions: map, filter, reduce. These functions are used to perform common operations and arrays such as mapping, filtering, and reducing elements. The map function takes a callback function as its arguments and applies it to each element in an array, returning a new value with the result. Here there are three functions: map, uh, reduce, filter. For example, the following code doubles each element in array. Let's see the program. Now filter function also takes a callback function as it arguments but only includes element in the new array for which the callback function returns true. For example, the following code filters out all odd numbers from an array. This is a small code. Constant number equal 1 2 3 4. Constant even type 6. Mod 2 equal to 0. Even numbers equal to numbers dot filter of even. Console.log అంటే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ప్రింట్ అవుతాయి. అది 2 4 ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్. The array prototype dot reduce. Reduce function takes a callback function and an initial value as arguments and applies the callback function to each element in the array. In order to reduce the array to a single value, for example, the following code calculates the sum of all elements in the array. కాన్స్టాంట్ నెంబర్ 1 2 3 4 కాన్స్టాంట్ యాడ్ ఏబి అనేది యాడ్ చేయమన్నారు. సమ్ ఏమొస్తుంది ఏ ప్లస్ బి దట్ మీన్స్ 10. In addition to a built-in higher order functions provided by JavaScript, it is also possible to create custom higher order functions. For example, code creates a custom higher order function that takes an array and a callback function of arguments and returns. This is the assign function object to a variable, pass the function to a parameter, return a function to a return value. First class citizen. It is the first class citizens. Next, I will introduce some advanced techniques related to functions. Advanced function related to higher order function. In mathematics and computer science, a higher order function is a function that satisfies at least one or following condition. Higher order function satisfies at least one of the following conditions. Output a function. It will accept the math function. Summary. As iOS developers, we must be aware of higher order functions. Using higher order functions in code exchange the execution speed of our code and speed up our development skills. It is all about higher order functions in front end development. Thank you for this opportunity.